sometimes you don't need much to make something beautiful. This is all it took. A little Artist Loft paint, some Spin, Drip, and Pour from Michaels, and 1 gold from Pouring Masters to create this beauty. Look at that. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. Check that out. I want to take a moment before I start this painting to thank Art by Sparkle. Lori, thank you so much for inviting me to do this collaboration today. Another Mardi Gras collaboration, and I am so happy because what came out today is absolutely gorgeous. So please be sure to check out Art by Sparkle, and please remember to subscribe. I will leave her link in my description. What I put down here first is some of this Spin, Drip, Pour paint, and this one, this color that I have down here is called Salty, and I picked it because it has a lot of sparkle in the background, and I thought that would be really beautiful to start out this Mardi Gras piece. Now I'm not going to be using a lot of color here. I'm going to try and make some beautiful flower right in the middle, and I'm using my Artist Loft Ready Mix paints, and hopefully this will come out the way I'd like it. So I'm wondering if I can just do a little chaos in this little corner and blow it this way, and let's see what happens. So I'm going to just be using some green and some purple for Mardi Gras, and some gold, of course. How could I forget the gold? And the gold that I have here is Pouring Masters 24 karat metallic. Now these were all ready mixed paints, and I think that that is going to be beautiful together. Maybe too much purple there. Let's get some more of that green in. You know how I love my green. I wonder if I should just pour a little of this over in the front here. And I'm going to use, I bought this air compressor from Amazon that I saw that Betty was using. And I'm going to try blowing over with this. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm making a little mess, and I do remember Betty telling me that there is a little learning curve with this. So, yeah, I probably should have practiced a little with this blower, but we'll do something. We'll fix this. We will fix this. being a little more careful with the blow on this, and I'm finally getting the hang of it. And I should have listened to Betty, and I actually didn't put I didn't tape the part of the blow dryer onto this as I should have. But I didn't have time because I wanted to use it today. So I'll listen to Betty, and I will attach a piece to this as soon as possible. But it's working. It is working. It's cold air, and it does work. Thank you, Betty. I got some nice lacing in here. Actually think I like this. I like all of this. I think if I just take this part out over here, really do. I got some great lace in here with my torch. Let me torch this. This is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Wow. Oh yeah. And if that doesn't look like one big Mardi Gras feather, I don't know what does. That looks like a big Mardi Gras feather to me. Please let me know in the comments below. I'm going to take you in for a close-up. But that's what I think it looks like, a big Mardi Gras feather. Okay, I'm going to take you down. Give me a second here. Start in the corner. Let's go. Wow. Look at that. Oh, this Loft Ready Mix Paints and Pouring Masters Gold. Look how gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that lacing. Absolutely stunning. Wow. And what was the base coat? Was Spin, Drip, and Pour Salty. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. I can't wait to see that dried. You will not get a dried results today, but I will definitely put this up tomorrow. So this is the conclusion of my Mardi Gras pour and collaboration with Art by Sparkle. And I love everything about this painting. As you can see here, the colors are just beautiful. It's just green, gold, and purple. And that background of that salty from the Spin, Spin, Drip, and Pour is gorgeous. So Art by Sparkle will be next. Please enjoy your pour with her. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Thank you for coming. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye now.